Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your watch history using YouTube on your iPhone. And this is easy to do. Locate the YouTube application. Now you're going to see home, short, the plus icon, subscriptions, and then you in the bottom right. Go to where it says you, your little picture icon, and tap this. And it'll bring you to this page where you can see your history. So you can scroll through the history and you can view your video clips, but go to where it says view all. Now under history, we want to tap the upper right and we can go to it. And it's going to be three little dots. You can pause watch history, you can clear all watch history, or manage watch history. Otherwise, you can go to the individual clips. And then you should be able to remove it from your watch history just from here. So I haven't watched stuff on this account for like 6 or 7 years, but we can just clear it all out if we want to go to clear watch history. And we should be able to just delete it all. It says clear watch history on here. So that's what I want to go ahead and do. And then I should be able to just clear it out. So it should be really easy to do. So let's tap this. And then we should be able to get rid of all. Otherwise, go to the individual ones on there. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.